Hey guys, it's Dan here, and what I'm going to be doing for you today, I'm going to be doing a pizza on the Blackstone. I normally don't experiment on my videos. Usually I've done the cook a couple times before I ever start to film, but I don't know. I've watched a couple of videos. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to experiment a little bit. My wife's the one that actually brought it to my attention. She watched a video about it, and I'm going to try it. Well, let's get to cooking. Hey guys, the pizza I'm going to be making for you today is a bacon, chicken, ranch pizza. I think that's how you describe it. But I'll tell you how I have this set up. Like I said, I'm just experimenting. Don't know if this will actually be posted as a video or not, but we'll see. I've got my left side over here on medium. I got my right side totally off because I'm going to use two different cooking zones for this. But let me get my bacon on, and we'll get it started. And evidently my Blackstone hasn't totally came up to temperature yet, which you would think it'd be hot enough to cook today without even having it turned on. It's about 90 degrees here in East Central Indiana. Beautiful day though. But let me get this bacon cooked up, and we'll go to the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, hopefully you're able to see this. The bacon's definitely overdone. I cleaned me a little spot to do the chicken now. What happened is the camera was out in the direct sunlight, and it's 90 plus degrees here today. So, I mean, I apologize, but my camera overheated. I lost, I don't know, a couple minutes of footage anyway. But for the chicken, all I'm using is a can of this chunk chicken breast. We're just going to do it nice and simple. Get this cooked up. And then once I get this cooked up, I'll break this bacon up a little bit over here. And we'll start assembling the pizza, and we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully the pizza turns out better than trying to shoot a video in 90-degree weather. Alright, I went ahead and I chopped up the bacon. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a ton of shadows around here, how everything is. But I went ahead and chopped it up with the spatula here. This chicken is starting to get browned up nicely. So I'm just going to tuck it over here in the corner. And like I said earlier in the video, this right side is completely off. The left side's just on medium heat. And let me put a little more oil down right there. Let me grab one of my tortillas. I'll have to look at the bag. I don't know what size I bought actually. Looks like just a regular like burrito or small burrito or taco size. We're going to throw that on there. Start getting that going. We'll get that side browned up. We'll flip it over. And hopefully this turns out good. If it turns out good, you guys will get to watch the video on YouTube. If it turns out bad, you get a laugh at the video on YouTube, probably. I still haven't decided, seeing how I'm having camera issues, if I'm going to post this one or not. But if I do post it, right now would be a perfect time for y'all to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell right next to the subscription button, and then you'll get notified anytime I put a video out. And like I said, I'm experimenting, so I don't know how long that actually takes. That needs just a little bit longer on that side. Well, by looking at the amount of bacon and everything I have and chicken, and by looking how small the tortilla is that I bought, I think we're going to do 2 pizzas. Let me see if I can get this open back up. I don't know if my lid will let me do 2 at the same time, my little dome to melt the cheese, but we'll find out. Now this looks like it's, oh yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this one right here for you. I'm going to throw that one over to the side, on that cool side, and we're going to get to going on this. So, first thing I have, I bought a little bit of this zesty ranch here. I don't know how well you can see that, but we're going to put a little bit of that on. Alright, we're just going to put, ooh, a little runnier than I thought it'd be, but it's been sitting outside for a little bit. Get that smeared around. Let me put a little bit more of that on there. I'm almost afraid to grab my cheese here in a second. I don't know if it's already melted on me or not. Alright, set that there. Let's put a little bit of bacon down. How much bacon we got? We'll divide that in about half. There we are. Get that spread around. Put some of this chicken on there. Let's grab a little bit of this mozzarella cheese. I just got regular generic mozzarella. Let's put some of that on there. Throw a dome on top of it. And this one over here, even though it's on the side that's off, looks like it's about ready to turn. And we'll see how this turns out here in just a few minutes. Alright, let's take a look at this, see what we got. Cheese is melted. I think my timing was just a little bit off on everything. I'll be back for a taste test. I don't know if this is how this is supposed to be or not. Definitely crispy. But let me pull that one off. Let me get this one over here. But yeah, I will be back for a taste test here in just a few minutes, and we'll see how this turns out. Alright, hopefully you're able to see this without me dumping it off the plate. It looks like a pizza, smells like a pizza. Let's find out if it tastes like a pizza. Figured out a couple things I did wrong. First of all, I overcooked the tortilla. Definitely overcooked it. Piled the chicken on too high. The chicken should have been spread around a little bit more. And it needs a good hot sauce on it. So, even though I am going to eat this, because me and the wife don't like wasting food, I'm not going to call it a total fail, but it's definitely not a success. So if I do decide to post this or whatever, learn from my mistakes. Do not cook the tortilla as long as I did. Put the toppings a little more even. Like I said, I was rushing. My camera just kept overheating on me and everything. But definitely going to try these again. Well, with that being said, I hope everybody has a blessed day and stay safe out there.